standard velocity, 40 grains, 1130 feet per second. This is a lead solid point bullet. These are made in Mexico, so if they're anything like the last ones, it's not too bad, you know. Mexican bullet, pretty good. Anyways, we'll give these a try, see how these do versus the high velocity. Okay, this Aguila Standard Velocity 40 grain. I mean, that doesn't even look like I shot 50 rounds, does it? I mean, that was pretty darn good. Okay, let's see what we've got here. I mean, can I even call any of these flyers? Well, we'll just call the Outrouters flyers. 2 inches wide by 1 3/4 take out the pliers, which is what we do for everything. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, we'll call that 1 3/8 by 1 1 1/8. Still, whew, that's good. Aguila Standard Velocity. You be the judge.